Although cards and contactless payments are available nearly everywhere, you might still need to withdraw some money from your Wise account to get some physical cash. There are two ways to do it, and in this video I'm gonna guide you through both. This is Jessie from Wise, let's get into it. Okay, let's assume you have $500 on your balance and you decide to withdraw some cash. First, if you have a Wise debit card, simply take it, find the nearest ATM, and follow the steps to withdraw money as usual. Easy. Check this video for a guide on how to order your Wise debit card. In the description, there's also a link where you can register and order a card if we deliver it to your region. A bit more on withdrawals. So, you can use your Wise card like any other card to withdraw money at ATMs around the road. If certain ATM is not set to accept only their cards, you should be able to get cash smoothly. There is a free withdrawal allowance each calendar month. This is the amount you can take out without paying any additional variable rate. If you go over your free allowance, we will apply a small charge. At the moment of this recording, you get 2 free withdrawals per calendar month. From your third withdrawal, we'll charge you the fixed fee applicable in your region, regardless of how much money you've taken that month. So, to withdraw for free, just keep in mind the monthly allowance and the 2 free withdrawals per calendar month. Please check the link in the description to see the limits and fees in your region. There is also extra information for cardholders in Japan, Canada, and Singapore. Keep in mind, Wise will not charge you for these withdrawals, but some additional charges may occur from independent ATM networks. You might be wondering, how do I check how much you can withdraw for free from my account? Well, you can check that in the mobile app and on the desktop too. In the app, go to Card, select Manage Payment Methods, scroll down and select Spending Limits. Then, select ATM Withdrawals. You see your daily and monthly limit and when it will refresh. Tap ATM Fees to see your free allowance. From the desktop, go to Card, select Limits at the top and then select ATM Withdrawals. You see your daily and monthly limit and when it will refresh. Select ATM Fees to see your free allowance. You still prefer to use your bank card to withdraw money? Or maybe you just don't want a Wise card? It's okay, there's an option for you too. If you prefer to withdraw cash using another card, open a balance in your Wise account when you'd like to take money out. Tap Send, choose yourself as a recipient, enter your account details, and complete the money transfer from your Wise account to your bank account. Next, just take your bank card and withdraw cash as usual. Just remember the tip we keep repeating here. When taking cash out from an ATM abroad, always choose to be charged in the local currency. Don't let ATMs apply the wrong rates. This might be extremely high. This means, for example, choosing euros in France, dollars in the US, and pounds in the UK. On this channel, we publish videos designed to guide you through all the Wise products so you can use them to the fullest. If you haven't subscribed yet, I'd recommend it. Also check the videos that appear around me, those are really useful. See you on the next one, bye!